This is a really good video so far.
I don't want to be in the video.
It's a good video.
Nothing's happened in the video yet.
You can't see my face now.
Well,
That's probably a good thing.
Yeah, like your face is any better.
I don't want to be on there.
That's probably a good thing.
Yeah.
yeah, it would be very funny if you were in it.
We could get Kelly ringtones again.
What? Oh, okay. I need ringtones.
Wait.
Oh.
Hold on, I'll get a ringtone. Hang on. Is my volume turned up? Alright, hang on.
Oh, don't set.
Hang on, I got one. Oh. You're not in it anymore.
That's from Gossip Girl. I love the music.
I couldn't see your body, so I moved it down.
I love the songs and the movie. I mean,
That one's pretty awesome.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Clearly, we need to be getting ice cream right now. That is the top priority.
We
Should go.
There's frogs in the background of that one.
ribbit. A ribbit.
Oh, Kelly. You know what we bought at Michael's? We bought some ribbon to put on our suitcases for the cruise.
Oh, yeah.
And it has ladybugs on it. Well, we figured nobody else would have that kind. So, and it's yeller, so, you know, you could see it.
Taylor.
You could see it from real far away.
Well, let's see the ribbon.
It was on sale, too.
Throw it. Throw the ribbon. I got the ribbon. Where's the ribbon? I found the ribbon. Kelly found the ribbon.
Ladybugs.
That was interesting.
Inspired by ladybugs.
Ladybugs, inspired by ladybugs.
I have to pee.
Zoom down to its feet. I can't. It doesn't have feet.
How do ladybugs even pee? I mean, I'm sure they do. Do ladybugs have livers and kidneys?
I don't know. That would be something you could look up.
I'm her mom.
No, she's not.
I'm bored. Me too.
I'm bored. They are too.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
We're going now.